Good morning, guys. Can you hear me? All right, great. BA? Yeah, it's a troubled company in a troubled sector. I'm surprised it took so long for this thing to break down. The big troubles for Boeing started already a year ago, but it never went lower because the market was so strong. Yeah. Unless you do it for a short mean reversion trade, I mean, I guess anything could work, but but this is not a financially sound company. Yeah, Spice 235. Is 235 the level? Oh, we're very close to there. We're gonna get our 15-minute break. That's great. Good news is China is getting back to normal. That's good news. But obviously, things in the US will get much worse before they get better. That I am certain. And Europe too. There's also two short setups I'm watching today, Apron and BNTX. I'm not gonna go crazy on these things, but I have them on my radar. Definitely. Yeah, exactly. BNTX. This thing was at 115 pre-market. And the Apron. But both of these have tripled. This thing has actually quadrupled, but BNTX is a triple. We'll see. I'm not super excited, but if I see a good setup, I'll trade them. And obviously, I'm watching this TVIX. I'm probably not gonna trade it much. I'm just looking for some kind of backside, and preferably some kind of relative weakness compared to the markets. Right now, it's just this thing goes to 1,000. It looks like. Yeah, it's a 17 bagger. I can't believe I sold my long in the, was it low hundreds? Or 90s or something? Oh my god. Oh my god. I got a double on my long. Or my first entry. My lowest entry. I had double on it. Sold it. Could have been a 10 bagger. Fuck. Oh well. A bunch of China names reported today. And one Brazilian name. But I have no interest in earnings related stuff right now. Everything is trading with the market. Pretty much. Let's see what we get here. BNTX is fading. It's a thin name. Why is my TC2000 so slow? Feels very slow here. I did a starter of TVIX, but I haven't touched Apron or BNTX. Looks like they both found support and are bouncing right now. Apron is back near the highs of the day, and BNTX actually took out the highs of the day. BNTX is kind of a thin stock. I don't think I will trade it at all. You don't think maybe it's just lag, platform lag. Yeah, the spies, you can clearly see on the 60-minute chart the technical levels. Like it's been building lower highs all the way. All the way. It can't get up above this this yellow line, this 20 period line on the 60-minute chart. They just keep selling it every time it tries. Oh, VXRT is gapping up pretty big. 41%. I'm still. Oh, okay. I thought all my virus watch list was deleted. Oh, IBIO is finding some momentum. What the heck? IBIO. INO found support on this rising 20-day moving average. Some of these virus plays are setting up nicely. In my opinion. Yeah, you can just see the relative strength on TVIX. TVIX is about to take highs out highest of the day, where spies are not near the lows of the day. Just got stopped out of my starter. There's still so much strength in this thing. Incredible strength. NVAX, yeah, not bad. There's actually a bunch of them. APT looks decent on the 60-minute and daily. AYTU has AYTU. AHPI has no volume, totally liquid. But it looks very similar to these others. Codex ish. Also been building higher lows lately. HTBX, higher lows. BNTX looks like you want to take out high lows for the day. No, wait, what? Now I think my E-signal is... No, not E-signal. My TC2000 is fried. One of my platforms is fried. I think it's TC2000. Because BNTX is not at 89.22. Nope, it's like 80. No, is it halted? No, it's not. It's like 86, 87. Interesting. Yep. My TC2000 is faulty. It's been holding up so well over the past few weeks. But now it looks like E-signal has better data. Super annoying. I mean, like TC2000 was fine just like 5 minutes ago. Anyone else having problems with TC2000 data? Oh, now it got unstuck. It got stuck there for a while. Let's see, BNTX. Okay, now it looks all right. It got stuck there for 2-3 minutes. Yeah, my data got stuck for a few minutes. Never mind. Looks good now. Wait, I'm not getting any data for VIX. Interesting. Very interesting. NVAX took out this range here. All right. Apron had a big move down just now. Tesla doing? Tesla not looking good. Codex? Not yet. Looks a bit choppy. AYT. Okay, AYTU just crapped. Keep my alert on it, but taking it off here. I am watching this Blue Apron, but it needs to tighten up a little bit before I short it. Could go red on the day. But not now. Lake is strong. Interesting, Lake is much stronger than APT, and APT was the leader like a month ago. Is there anything on my scans? Net, Esgen. What's this BMRA? Bio-America. Oh, okay. Another Corona name. There's just so many of these. Can't believe it. Wow, DWT, that's a big move. Yeah. That's why Apron is up. Nah, I don't know if I want to short this thing. I'm probably not gonna do it. Even if it takes out lows of the day. It feels like they want to take this thing to 15 or something. It really feels like that. Just like they did with APT and Codex and these things. It just kept going. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch Apron. I won't. I won't. And BNTX is too thin. I'm not gonna touch this one either. Not today at least, probably. Twix is still, it's hanging out near the highs of the day. While spies are kinda in the middle of the range of the day. So yeah. Yep, there's clearly some strength here. Just like there's been for a long time now. Reversal in oil, dude, I have no, Uso is the one. No, I have no idea. Look, this commodities, it's just impossible to know. I don't know. At this point, no. But I am watching this DWT ETF on the back side. If it gets to the back side, it would be an interesting short. But again, 99% probably I'm not gonna touch it today. But heck, if this thing goes to 50 or 100 or something, who knows? Maybe I will be interested in it. But right now, no. Why is this IBO up? Did they have a PR? Let's see here. Oh, okay, yeah. Yes, they had a PR. Of course they had a PR. Yep, Apron is taking another leg higher. Oh, just a patience game here. There are some individual names I'm stalking, both on the long and the short side, but other than that, for me personally, there's not much to do here. I think there's gonna be some incredible opportunity in the near future. But right now it's all about not doing anything crazy. I am not happy with the way I've traded TVIX. I've been too aggressive on it and I haven't waited for backside. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna wait for backside. I did trade opening range lows, but that's something I always do. But, you know, unless it takes out lows of the day, I'm probably not gonna trade it. It's still holding up so well. It's just still hanging out near the highs while SPYs are about to take out its highs. Incredible. It needs to start showing some weakness compared to the SPYs to really size in on this thing. But it could take another several days or several weeks. Who knows? These things are mathematically calculated. It's not the supply-demand thingy. Oh yeah, TQQ is already taking out yesterday's highs. Or sorry, today's highs. Yep, SPYs are at the highs of the day, and TVIX is not even near the lows of the day yet. Too bad we're not going lower. I would have really liked to see. So for 2 days in a row, we undercut the previous day's lows and then rallied. Same thing had happened yesterday. Undercut, rally, and today undercut, rally. Maybe a sign that a bottoming attempt. But unless we take out this downtrending line, we are not going to be in great shape. This TDOC is gonna be a big winner in the next, once the market stops going down. Probably needs at least a few more weeks to base here, but technically it's just so strong. And they're one of these companies that are benefiting enormously from this coronavirus bullshit. And Zoom also, this one also looks really good. We are not in a breakout, buy a breakout environment. I'm gonna cut the stream in like 5 minutes. There's not much going on for me here. Well, vaccine is gonna take a while. The problem is, like, making a vaccine is developing a vaccine doesn't take long, but it needs to be tested, like, for safety before you start vaccinating millions. I know mRNA they're running a study right now where I think they're like 40 or 60 people in this study. So they're vaccinating these, and then they're gonna wait for like several months and see if there are any adverse effects. And after that, we'll see. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe someone develops a miracle medicine that cures the disease in a short amount of time. But yes, as soon as we start getting some good news about a potential vaccine or some kind of a medicine, I think that will mark the bottom. Potentially. But who knows? I try not to speculate about events like that because I really have no idea about any of those things. I just try to treat the price action. Right now, well, things look weak. I think once the market stops going down on bad news, or even starts going higher on bad news, that would be a very good sign. But right now, every piece of bad news, the market takes a dump lower. So that's obviously not a good sign. And we really haven't had any good news, so... Yep, Grub is not Grub. Apron is taking out highs. Okay, let's do one more scan, and then we'll see. RAD is incredibly strong. On the weekly chart, it's trying to reclaim the declining 100-day moving average. Clorox, holy shit. All right, let's see here. Here. Okay, that's it for me today. I am probably not going to touch this BNTX and APRN. Twix, I am going to get stopped in at the lows of the day. Because now it looks like it wants to take out the lows of the day. Okay, thanks, and I will see you tomorrow.